So I'm a retired person and I live in downtown Toronto, adjacent to the University of Toronto campus. I had a 15-year-old furnace and I asked the technician when it would go bust, and he said just about now. So I thought, he said, but don't worry, we'll put in a gas furnace for you within 24 hours. And I said, no, you won't. It did feel a couple of years ago like a bit of a jump into a void that which I needn't have been all that anxious about. And the engineers at the city said, don't worry, you're cool, just do it. I said, okay, I'll do it. And I'm delighted I did. Which has heated my home in winter, cooled it in summer for 2 years and a bit at exactly the same running cost as gas. So it's been a triumph. It's easy to put in, it's just you need a plan in place how to do it and what kind of a heat pump to put in, and it's not a problem. I mean, if it wasn't a problem for me and I was one of the first in the downtown to put one in, it's not going to be a problem for anybody else. There is a feeling of liberation when you put one in. It's a really great thing not to be contributing to the climate crisis.